What's up guys, my name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and if you're doing some holiday shopping here in the next couple of weeks, you are in the right place. Today we're going over some holiday gift ideas for the traveler in your life. Now, don't get me wrong, a traveler is not necessarily your friend that is jet setting to Tahiti, because everybody travels. To work, to school, to the grocery store. Everybody travels, and these are gifts that everybody traveling can benefit from, okay? And a little bit more to that, they're kind of thoughtful and not as wasteful as like a jar of candy that you'd get someone, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead, get right into the video and get into the holiday season. By the way, we're going to be time-stamping all of these because I value your time. So if you're interested in why I think as a professional traveler, why I think that these gifts would be great, then you can go ahead and click on that timestamp and then fast forward through the video. Everything will also be linked, if possible, down below for your convenience, okay? So the first thing on the list is a reusable water bottle. These are perfect for when you're on the go. They are just great for the environment as well. So fill these bad boys up, just go ahead and I challenge you to skip that plastic water bottle. Like, cut them out. You don't need them. It's a toxic relationship. Oh yeah, see, that's great. And if you want to take it a step further, you can personalize this water bottle with a vinyl or decal you can find on Etsy, or if somebody you know has a Cricut machine, I'm sure you could send them a $5 bill and they'd be happy to create a vinyl for you. The next thing on my list would be buying a bottle of wine from an area that they really loved. So let's say your friends went to California. I would then purchase this Cab Sav from Paso Robles. Did I even say that right? Correct me, I don't know. Comment down below. I would buy them a bottle of wine from that region that they either mentioned or took a picture of. If you do a little bit of detective work, I promise you, you will find the wine or drink of their choice. If they're underage, there is definitely local sodas that you can also do a little detective work about, and more than likely find it available at a place called World Market. They have tons of beverages, tons of food items even. You could take it that. Oh my gosh, number 3, you can buy them food from that region at World Market. So really, you can find a lot of things if you go through their Facebook photos or maybe their IG stories. You can find a lot, and a thoughtful gift goes a long way. This may be insulting, but when you give someone deodorant, let them know that it's good for them. Guys, I've tried so many natural deodorants, and if I'm on the go, if I'm traveling, if I'm running to do errands, I'm sweating up a storm, okay? I'm just saying. And natural deodorant goes a long way, so definitely grab this for your travel partner. This is 2 ounces, so it will get through American security. And this coconut oil, I don't know how they do it, has no scent, no aluminum, which is great. That's the cancer-causing agent in deodorant, if you didn't know. A little bit of knowledge for you. But yeah, definitely invest in this. Grab it for your friend. They've probably heard of this. If they don't have it, they need it on their trips and travels. Yeah, cut out the secret. Get this stuff. So one of the most useful gifts you can get for someone is a reusable bag, and even more so, a backpack, okay? Allow me to introduce to you a present that I got last year from Seth's uncle. He killed the game. This has been used almost every weekend of my life. It carries all of my gear, it compacts down to this, and then it opens up into a really cute, if I might add, backpack that, as you can see, has been used and abused, which is great. It's what it's for. It's great, it's flimsy, it packs down really small, which is all you could need. And yeah, hello, you could take this to get groceries too. Get the plastic bag, go for this guy. I love this thing. This is like the top of my, I should put this as number 1, although they're not in any order, but this right here is like, I probably shouldn't have done that. This is probably dirty. Okay. Next. This next one's gonna require a little bit of research, but I think it will absolutely pay off. You will win best gift of the year, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. If they're going somewhere, find out a local, or preferably local, but maybe chain coffee shop in that destination, and purchase a gift card for that place. The more local you can find it, the more impressive and the more thoughtful, in my opinion, of a gift that is. But even your daily commuters, we know you like Starbucks, but maybe you pass Bookworm Cafe and you've always wanted to try it, or it's a little bit out of your reach, but you could go on the weekends, find that spot, grab them a gift card, and really impress and give your friend a thoughtful gift. My next one is kind of awesome, and that is going to be a fashion scarf. Hear me out. So this fashion scarf is super cute. It's actually trendy again. This can double as a couple different things, okay? It can cover your shoulders if you're in the sun, or if you're going to see a shrine, you know, you have to cover up, you have to be modest. Or maybe you're at the beach and you're kind of getting fried. You can wear it like that. You can also wear it as a cute little fashion statement, which I was wearing on my trip to the Keys, which is kind of like a bandana, kind of like a pirate moment. And then, believe it or not, guys, you can wear this as a top. Should I show you? All right, let's see. What do you think? So I'll show you guys. It's really cute and ties in the back. You can just wear it like this. They have so many different colors and styles, all on Amazon. Like I said, I'll link everything below. It's vibes. It's definitely vibes. But just the multi-purpose use of this is super cool, and I think really beneficial for, like I said, everybody. Okay, back to regular clothing. So the last thing that I want to share is a power bank. Guys, you know what this is. Super beneficial to anyone that's on the go and on their phone a lot. They need to juice up their phones. Everybody's on their phones. So I know you're like a good one, but that's all I got. Alrighty guys, that pretty much wraps up my holiday gift guide for some thoughtful and kind of badass gifts. Like, these are good gifts, I feel like, except that power bank one, but practicality. So make sure you guys are just putting a little bit of thought into your gifts this year, and maybe skip the candy and give them something useful so it's less waste and more appreciation. Not that people don't appreciate candy, but you know what I mean? Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a great holiday season. I am ready for Christmas, so much so that I am going to be doing, I'm gonna say it, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year. So I'm gonna be vlogging every day starting December 1st, and we'll do daily vlogs, and come get in the holiday spirit with me. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for Christmas. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you like this, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you can join the crew. Yeah, we're happy to have you here, and I hope you guys have a great holiday season. I'll see you next time. Bye.